And now may I request your former principal, Shri Niranjan Swain sir, who is here with us, who had sown the seeds for you to take this board examination. May he bless you all with his precious words. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, madam, that you have narrated all these things about the board examination. Our respected chairman, sir, the madam Liarkia Gandayat, the principal of the school, and fortunately the principal of the Jajpur also present here. My dear students, I have nothing to say but something to say. As you know, today your Prime Minister once again will come in the picture to say something new. So my request to everyone will be there. What the Prime Minister is gathering for you, collecting for you, that is not his collection. It is the collection of 140 crore people and some experts. Means what actually the students are feeling, what the parents are feeling, and how the atmosphere is behaving, that will be reflected today. So my request, I am not telling you go to the entire episode throughout, you take some points there. And what we marked in the last year, the examination is not a tension, it is a Utsav, festival. In which way you are celebrating the different festivals, you have to celebrate like this way. Already madam had told that you will create a atmosphere, but I am suggesting you create a normal atmosphere. If you tell everyone in your family जे मो पुअर परीक्षा अच्छी जमा कथा होना टिके गोटे जल्दी कौन पड़ी जीव साउंड हम तार से भी करना साउंड कर कथा हम बट द एटमोस्फियर विल बी कंड्यूसिव जदि सबुतक एटमोस्फियर को टाइट कर मनकर बापा टी अधिका कथा होते धीरे कथा हे से प्रेसरटा तम उपर पड़े माँ टी कथा होते कथा होना तम उपर पड़े मीन्स एव्री क्रिएशन ऑफ योर मीन्स आर्टिफिशियल क्रिएशन आई एम टेलिंग एवरीथिंग एवरी प्रेशर विल बी माउंटेड ऑन यू सो दैट्स व्हाई द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर टोल्ड यू सेलिब्रेट एज ए फेस्टिवल. And if not celebrate as a festival, all the pressure will be mounted to you only. You may निजे feel करिवो जे मो पाई के सब होउछ. Point number 1. Point number 2. Don't enter inside the examination hall with the targets. If you go with the targets, that will pull you back. My class teacher has told, my subject teacher has told, my principal has told I have to score 100 out of 100 in physics, 90 out of 90 in physics. So that should not be. You go with a normal condition, ekdam normal condition, because you do not know what type of questions will come. And as you know, 50% competence is there. Those questions you have not seen earlier. So don't be panic for that. That will be done. And the third point I want to say you about your cooling time 15 minutes. 97% students are treating the cooling time as the excited time. The survey is telling. Today I think your Honorable Prime Minister will tell the same thing. That was given the cooling time. Cool. But by seeing the question you will be excited and tension. So what is the meaning of the cooling time? Cooling time is very cool. Just like starting a match, the officials, captain and everywhere are in the cool mood to take the decision. Today the weather is like that, the dew factor is like that, the wind factor is like that, the weather condition is like that, so they are taking the decision. So before writing, you put a toss, and after getting the toss, decide what will do. So my request to everyone, during the 15 minutes time, please be cool and don't expect, yes, I have seen this question yesterday, oh, bade aayega. Oh, that question the sir has discussed, oh, bade aayega. On the way if you go, suppose one question will come you have never seen, and a 99.9% chance you will never seen the question of the 50%. Then what will do? Suppose one question you have not seen, one case-based studies you have not seen. যদি মনটা সেট নহিব যে টিউশন স্যার কইতিলে 100 ରୁ 100 রুপিয়া তু মত গলা সরি গলা দিয়ে এন্ডে দীপক স্যার কইতিলে 100 ରୁ 100 রুপিয়া সরি গলা দিয়ে এন্ডে then what do you do? Whether you are cooling or excited or depressed? Depressed. So should not be MCQ. Don't touch it. Don't see it. My suggestion, if you ask me, I will suggest don't read the MCQs. Why? Because question number 1 you have read, followed by 4 answers. Immediately you check whether my answer is correct or not. Then the second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, 15th question, 15 minutes over. Then your cooling time is lies only the 15 minutes. Are you getting my point? So, which question is followed by the answers, that will be more excited. Suppose you are thinking one question and you find out the answer and you are searching whether my answer is not there. If you are getting excited, yeah, go to the second question, go to the third question, go to the fourth question, go to the fifth question. So my suggestion will be there. 5 points I am telling. Please cover the question of the 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, 4 marks or 5 marks and check the question. If it is a very good question, you practice, don't think about it, skip up. Go to the next. And if those are the or bit is there, you read both the questions and decide there and there which question will be suitable for you. And if required, you put a dot that I will do this question. In the 2 marks or is there, 3 marks or is there, 5 marks or is there, 4 marks or is there. The first suggestion. The second suggestion will be like that. In the case-based studies means a story. Story attached with the concepts. Don't read the story. Only read the question. Don't read the story. If you read the 3 stories, then the 15 minutes will be consumed. Only read the questions. When the questions will be strike in your mind, when the normal way will appear this question, already the question is there in your mind and you will read the story. Ago question पढ़िबो तापर story पढ़िबो. Ago story पढ़िकी तापर question पढ़िबो. And story पढ़ी जदि question पढ़िबो जदि question रो गोटे आंसर आसीबो पुणे उधर story की जाय पड़ो. तो ago question पढ़ी दे 3टा question दिबो. So that question will be in there and you will search in the story where is my answer. That is second. And the third one is I am telling about this year's conduction of the examination. Very, very careful because whole time examination will be recording and the AI will be installed in your camera. Don't be panic for that. It is good for you. So be careful for that. And my fourth position is about the blessings. Today we are celebrating as a blessing ceremony, and when your examination will start, you may not do, but your parents will do. Aji कलश बसिया, aji मंदिर को जीवा, आज समस्त को मुंडिया मारिबा, that is required because that will give you more and more confidence. That will not recall your answer there in the examination hall, but that will give you more and more confidence. बेले बेले पिला कौन हुए, last point because I will not waste your time. बेले बेले पिला कौन हुए, केबे बापा माँ कर पाद छुअंतिनी, दादा कर पाद छुअंतिनी, जो दिन परीक्षा को गोड़े 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 बापा गोड़े से माँ गोड़े से दादा गोड़े से, ठीक है, that is good. But that is good. Suppose you are not able to touch the feet of someone, don't be fear at all. You are getting the blessings of the Almighty. What atmosphere is created today, that is more than enough. आमर हिंदू धर्म अच्छी बाटे गले बिले देखीदे मन दुख हम कि ना. एवरीथिंग इज गुड, नथिंग इज बैड. टेक इट पॉजिटिवली. If you take it negatively, then when you will enter inside this examination hall, मन पड़े बिलेट आगे पड़ेगा कौन हम बिलेट पड़े कौन दुटा क्वेश्चन से खाई दो ना कौन किसी करी परिवारी. Because if you are confident, nothing will happen. If you are not confident, everything will happen. So be confident and go inside it. So thank you very much. May God bless you. My blessing is always with you. Keep in your mind. And my last point is, utilize this 15 minutes cooling time. The name is called cooling time, not excited time. Thank you very much.